Hi guys, this video is to help you with your Unit 5 Day 9 worksheet. And so we're going to start with looking at number 3 because chances are you're probably thinking, oh, I don't need number 3, I got number 3 correct, when in fact you may have made a mistake. So remember, we're using the form y equals mx plus b in order to name the slope and the y-intercept of the equation. But looking at that equation in number 3, that equation isn't in the form y equals mx plus b. Y isn't alone in that equation. So we have to do a little bit of work ahead of time. Remember from Friday last week, the first thing we have to do to get y by itself is move that x term. So we're going to subtract 3x from both sides, and that's going to give us with negative y equals negative 3x plus 6. And then we know if there isn't a number in front of y, we can put a 1 there. So that means I have a negative 1y. Again, y still isn't by itself. I need to divide everything by negative 1. That's going to give us y equals 3x minus 6. And so our slope is 3, and our y-intercept is negative 6, which is just a little bit different than you might have been thinking it was if you didn't get y by itself. So be very careful, and we'll talk about that a lot more on Tuesday, that we need to make sure that y is by itself if we're using y equals mx plus b. Okay, flipping over to the other side, we're going to start by looking at number 9. And remember, to graph, we're still using that y equals mx plus b. Good news here, though, y is by itself. The only tricky part is that there isn't a number in front of x. So we're going to put a 1 there. So we know our slope is negative 1. Our y-intercept is 2. So we begin at our y-intercept. And so I'm going to put a dot at 2. And that's a little bit too big of a dot, but we'll put a dot at 2. And remember, a slope of negative 1 just means negative 1 over 1. So I'm going to go down 1 and to the right 1, and I'm going to make new dots. And then you're going to pick up your ruler, and you're going to connect your dots using your ruler. And you're going to label your line with the equation, y equals negative x plus 2. If you have any questions, please let us know.